Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to see full card details on your Revolut. And basically it's also pretty simple and you will find everything on your Revolut app. So first of all, subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video. And now when you open up your Revolut application, you're going to want to click top right corner right there where you see your card logo, as you can see right there, like an icon, and then you're gonna choose a card you want to see the details of. So for example, a standard or a virtual card, it doesn't matter which one you need. After this, when you click that, you're gonna see your card, of course, and you see that button show details. So this is where you want to click. Then you will need, of course, to verify it with your Face ID or your passcode. And now you're gonna see your card number there, expiration date, and CVV code. So yeah, guys, that's basically it. That's how you see your card details on Revolut application. And if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.